Hi friends! Today I'm going to tell about the artificial intelligence-based tools that facilitate data analysis. According to the developers of these services, they are suitable not only for beginners in data analysis but also for professionals. Ask Edit simplifies data analysis by allowing users to ask questions and receive instant information. Expands the capabilities of self-serving analytics, providing secure and reliable data access, enhancing efficiency, reducing dependence, and enabling faster data-driven decision-making. Features: ability to query data without the need for SQL. All will translate your questions into SQL and show you what you need. Ability to analyze large volumes of data. Compatible with all database and CRM systems, Google Sheets, Airtable, PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, etc. Price: free starter package, other package starting at $60. Tomat AI, an artificial intelligence-based tool that allows data professionals to easily explore and analyze large CSV files without the need for coding or writing formulas. You can open and view massive CSV files with just a few clicks. Features: filtering, sorting, and grouping rows using intuitive drag-and-drop steps, merging multiply files, creating visualizations. Price: completely free. Cogenity allows users to generate SQL queries using natural language prompts, optimize exciting SQL queries, explain common SQL in an integrated catalog, provide detailed explanations and error solutions, as well as explain query execution plans for better optimization. The AI assistant continually evolves based on each interaction, adapting recommendations and suggestions to individual needs. Feature: instant assistance in query composition, query explanation assistance, improved query performance, and reduced computation costs. Access to all your data repositories: Redshift, Microsoft, Snowflake, IBM, BigQuery, Yellowbrick, Databricks, etc. Personal repository for SQL queries. Price: free 30-day period without cart linkage, then starting from $189 per year. Formula Guide: talk to Google Sheets with built-in artificial intelligence, an AI tool integrated into Google Sheets. It uses artificial intelligence to help users manipulate and calculate data across the entire range of cells. With this tool, users can become sheet gods and unlock the limitless possibilities of Google Sheets without the need for formula knowledge. Price: free starter plan, then starting from $9.99. Simple ML for Sheets Chrome extension. With Simple ML for Sheets, anyone can use machine learning and forecasting in Google Sheets without knowledge ML, programming, or sharing data with third parties. Simple ML for Sheets is an add-on for Google Sheets by the TensorFlow Decision Forest team. Features: from predicting missing values to manual training, evaluation, interpretation, and model export. Simple ML leverages and simplifies machine learning capabilities. Simple ML is also valuable for machine learning experts who want to quickly iterate or prototype on small tabular datasets. Users can export the model to TensorFlow, Colab, TIFI serving, or simply call the model in C++, Go, and JavaScript. Training usually takes just a few seconds. Price: free. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to me